with Ukraine's drone army hunting down and destroying Russian equipment, often sending as many drones as it takes to completely destroy each armored vehicle or tank. It's not only Russian equipment which is hunted down, with Russian troops thinking they are safer in the dark, with the rise of night vision drones resulting in more dangerous situations all the time at the front line. Seen with this Ukrainian drone slowly creeping up on 2 Russian soldiers, waiting until they get close enough to each other to target them both, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.